how to create and sell digital invitations on Etsy. Hello guys and welcome back to today's video. In today's video, we will be teaching you on how you could create your very own digital invitations that you can begin and start selling on Etsy. Now, we will be using another platform to create our invitation, which is called Canva. And before we start creating our design, we're going to check out the different digital invitations available right now in Etsy. So simply click on our search bar over here, and we will be searching for digital invitations, of course. And we will be checking out the different types of invitations that people are creating so that we have an idea on what type of invitation we should be designing. As you can see here, there's a lot of different themes, a lot of different styles, but all of them are indeed an invitation. For example, this is for a kid, and you will be able to see the invitation and the design over here. And depending on the theme, of course, the design of your invitation would vary very much. Now, the thing I like about digital invitations is that you have a lot of freedom on the design of your invitation. So we will be using Canva, which is very great with digital designs or any digital product that you are going to create. Now, as you can notice here, most of the designs are actually for a mobile application. As you can see here, most of the preview photos have the phone as its preview image, indicating that the digital invitations are usually being sent through different mobile phones. So we will use that as our preference or as our size. So we will go back to Canva over here. Now, you can click on the search bar over here. Also, if you're not familiar with Canva, Canva allows you to use hundreds and thousands of different elements and different features to create a very unique design with any purpose. You're not limited to creating digital invitations. You could create virtually anything you want, and it all depends on your creativity, of course. And you're simply going to click on search over here, and let's search for a phone. And let's see, there we go. Let's go with a phone wallpaper because this will have the same size, or the size of this template over here will have the same size as a mobile phone. So we will have the same size that we will be using. So let's simply click on create block over here. Selecting create block over here will allow us to create a template or a page that has no design but has the corresponding dimension that we can use. Now, the first thing we're going to do, like I said earlier, is think of a theme. Now, we have observed over here that there's a lot of different themes that you could use, and digital invitations can be an invitation to anything, maybe a wedding, maybe to a party or a kids party, or even a live stream, any design or any theme that you want. And for us, we will be creating a design or a digital invitation for a wedding. Now, we will be utilizing three main features in Canva. We have the elements, text, and uploads. For the elements, as the name suggests, you will be able to find different elements like photos, graphical designs, and even videos and audios in elements. In text, you will be able to find different font groups, as you can see here, that you could put together and build for your invitation. There's a lot of different designs or different fonts here that you could use. You can simply explore them one by one, look for one that would really catch your attention or you think is really great. And you can also click on upload over here, which would allow you to use the images that you have uploaded in Canva. And you could use this for example, a picture of the groom and the bride and something like that. Now, for us, we will be creating an invitation for a wedding. So let's say I will be using this font group over here. Let's put it over here. Right now, it says happy birthday, but we will be changing that. Then let's look for another information, maybe this one. And let's put them together. Right now, we're just putting together different elements. We will be editing the information in a bit. And after that, let's say we have this as well as the last part. Now, there we go. Now, for wedding invitations, of course, we will have here, let's say, I'm not really familiar with the contents that a wedding invitation should have. So let's actually go here and maybe let's check out a design here so that we know the content. And as you can see, you are invited to the wedding ceremony. So let's say here, wedding invitation. There you go. And invitation. Then over here, let's say you are invited to, or we could use another font. But either way, let's say you are invited, something like that. Then over here, you have congrats. Then let's put in the name. Let's say Jasper, and let's go with another name, Kale, something like that. And you could change a different font for this one. We could change it to a different font by selecting this, and you have your different options over here. For example, this design over here, and we could put the address or like the date. For example, let's say September 17, 2026, and let's have that as the date. And then you could put in the venue of the location, maybe let's say Long Beach, something like that, or anywhere you want, depending on the location of course, the wedding. And after that, you could also put in information over here, like different information. Let's see here, like maybe additional information that you would like them to see, but this is an extra part here that you could add. And after this, we have this very simple design. My design isn't the greatest design, but you get the idea. You will be able to use the different elements and put together a very simple text like this. And now we could go to elements, and let's search for elements that are related to wedding. Click on see all, and we have your different designs over here. For example, let's go with this one. You could put this over here in the middle, just like that. And we could look for more. Maybe this one. Let's put it here, and we can expand it. Expand it just like that. Then let's put this one on the top, just like that. Then let's do it again. But this time, this is going to be on the bottom. There we go. And you have this also. We could have this in the middle, and put it behind. There we go. Then we have a very simple design. Let's put this a bit. Let's remove that for now. Let's put our name in the middle. Let's get this design placed in the middle so that our name is targeted. Or you could choose another design. My artistic skills aren't the best, so pardon me for my style. But anyway, we could put together different styles over here. Something like this, maybe. Like I said earlier, the style and the appearance will depend on your creativity and your preferences on the design, but you get the idea. You could put together different elements into your design over here. As you can see, I am changing every now and then. I'm removing the different design, making it transparent, something like that. But you get the idea. You are able to use different elements and different features of our Canva over here to build your invitation. And after this, for example, let's settle with this one for now. You can simply click on share, click on download, and you can download it as a PNG. And then you can simply upload it on your Etsy store, and you can add all the necessary information. You can design it into like this. Let's download this and show you how you can do this as well. Make it into a mock-up. As you can see, it's downloaded. Let's open a new page and upload our image into our canvas over here. And simply click on edit image over here after this is uploaded. So let's give it some time, and let's wait for it. And there we go. Let's click on edit image, smart mockups, and then you have different options over here. As you can see, different phone mockups that you could use. And for example, we could have this one. And let's see our digital invitation. There we go. Now we have a digital invitation with a mobile phone as its border, similarly with this over here. And now what you're simply going to do is you're going to build your different preview images like over here, the different preview images over here. Simply do the same thing and upload it when you're creating your product in Etsy. And through that, you are now able to create and sell your own digital invitations on Etsy. Hope you enjoyed the video. Leave a like and subscribe.